Hello everyone, in today's video I will be discussing about some of the common mistakes which I did in my drop year which led my marks to stuck at 574. Otherwise I would have scored more. Okay, so the first thing is not completing syllabus on time. Now what is the exact month in which your syllabus should be completed? It is December. You can go to mid-Jan, not more than that. So plan your schedule accordingly to prevent any further chaos, because once you reach mid January or after that, your confidence level decreases if you have not completed your syllabus, which happened with me. And if you are completing it in November itself, then it is a cherry on the cake. The second topic is taking bio lectures for granted. Yes, I did this. I skipped the lectures of the topic on which I did not have any concept clarity, thinking that bio तो NCERT से ही आता है तो बस lines ही रटने हैं. No, you should not do this. You don't have to just mug up the lines. You have to understand first and then, of course, mugging. Okay, so the next point is not doing multiple revision. Uh, what my mentality was, first I will complete my syllabus and then start my revision. Okay, this is good when you have completed your syllabus in December itself. Otherwise, if you have not done, then you have to split your time for both of the above, like for syllabus completion and for your revision. Because revision is the most important thing which will build your confidence. Revision and, of course, testing. So like in the last month you have to do 5 more revisions, so you have to prepare yourself in a way that you are ready to do 5 revision in the last month. So in January, February, March is enough, I guess. 3 months for normal revisions, and the last month, April, for vigorous revision. Okay, so the next topic is not giving sufficient test. Now, what do I mean when I say sufficient test? 10, 15, 20? No, it is minimum 50 and max you can go to 100 or 150. It all depends on you. So, if you give this number of tests, your NEET exam fear will vanish away. Plus, it will reduce all your silly mistakes. So try to give your test daily. This is for the last month. Daily wala scene is for last month. And if you want separate video on like how to give test, I can make it another video because this will go longer. Okay. And next and the last topic is I used to waste my whole day for few hours because of few hours. Like for example, for some reason I didn't feel like study, or I didn't study for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, let's say 5 hours. Then I used to think that अब क्या पढ़ना, अब तो 5 घंटे वेस्ट हो ही गए. अब एक काम करती हूँ, कल से स्टार्ट करूँगी फ्रेश. So this is gonna hamper you. What you have to do is think positively. Okay, if I have wasted 5 hours, or don't say wasted, you should give positive vibes to your mind. You should say somewhat like this: okay, I have took a long break from studies in my morning session or whatever your evening session. Now I am back to my study, I'm back to my room, and I will study more than what I decided to. So you have to think positively and you're good to go. So don't ever do this. This will waste your time. Okay, this was all about it. And yes, as I've said earlier, if you want like more description or descriptive video on any of these 5 topics, you can comment down below. I will make another video, and of course I'm bringing another video on test wala scene. Okay, till then, bye bye.